Making the future perfectly clear. The real-life application of future perfect tense. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore an exciting part of the English language, the future perfect tense. This tense might seem intimidating, but don't worry. We're going to break it down and show you how it can be used in real-life scenarios. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the future perfect tense and how to use it in your day-to-day conversations. Before we move into real-life applications, let's quickly review what the future perfect tense is. The future perfect tense is used to describe an action that will have been completed at some point in the future. It's formed using will have, followed by the past participle of the main verb. Here's an example. By the time you finish this video, you will have learned about the future perfect tense. Now let's see how this tense applies to our day-to-day lives. Making plans and predictions. The future perfect tense can be used when making plans or predictions about the future. It helps in indicating the completion of an action before another takes place. For instance, by next year, I will have saved enough money to buy a new car. Expressing certainty. It is also used to express certainty about the future. Don't worry, she will have arrived at the destination by now. Now that we understand the future perfect tense's role in real-life situations, let's do some practice. We'll give you some sentences, and your task is to convert them into future perfect tense. 1. I finish this book. By tomorrow. 2. They return from their vacation. By next week. They. 3. She achieves her goal. By the end of the year. She. Make sure to pause the video and take your time with these sentences. That's it for our lesson on the real-life application of the future perfect tense. We hope that this video has made the future perfect tense clearer for you. Remember, the more you practice, the better you will get at using this tense correctly. Keep practicing, and we're confident that you will have mastered the future perfect tense in no time. Until our next lesson, happy learning!